If your thermostat isn't kicking on your air conditioning, there are several potential reasons for this issue. One common cause is dead batteries, which prevent the thermostat from having the power it needs to turn on the AC system. Replacing the batteries may resolve the problem. Another possible reason is a tripped circuit breaker, which supplies power to the thermostat. If the air conditioning system is overloaded, the circuit breaker can trip, preventing the thermostat from functioning. To fix this, locate the thermostat circuit breaker in the breaker box. Switch it off, and then back on again. Additionally, dirty or clogged air filters can restrict airflow through the AC, causing the thermostat to malfunction. Seeking professional assistance to change the filters, and then replacing them regularly every 1 to 3 months, can help keep the AC running smoothly. By addressing these potential issues, you can identify and fix the problem with your thermostat and get your air conditioning up and running again.